What's up everyone, Lawn Revivalist here. I'm just doing some adjustments on my 21-inch Toro recycler. My traction cable for my Self Propel is a little bit too loose. So I'm gonna show you guys real quick how to make that adjustment. It's really simple. All you need is a ratchet with a 7/16 socket. We're going to loosen this nut right here and tighten this cable. So just make sure we adjust this so we can loosen it up. Loosen this cable up. To loosen the cable, pull towards you. See how it makes it loose? And this gets real flimsy. This is what activates the Self Propel. So to tighten it, we're going to pull it towards the mower itself to tighten. This will give us more traction. So, and just to give you guys an example, tighten this back up just a second so I can show you. So now we see there's more tension here. More tension. Loosen it back, pull it a little bit closer to the mower because it's still a little too loose for my liking. There we go. Tighten it back up. Now it's pretty easy to test it. That's really tight, but I'm gonna show you guys what happens if it's too tight. All right, so mower's on. Pull this lever and you watch the wheels drive. Woo, there it goes. So that is very tight. Gonna let go of that lower lever. Now watch what happens. You see how the wheels, I'm pulling back right now. You see how the wheels are moving real slow, they're locking up. So that, when the wheels lock up like that, that means this drive cable, or this traction cable, excuse me, is too tight. So, watch. Here, I'll show you again. So, too tight, right? Too much tension. I'm pulling back pretty hard. I gotta pull that back. So, I'm gonna pull it up on its front wheels, bring it all the way back over here. I'm gonna loosen it again. Ratchet, 7/16 socket. Loosen this up. Again, there's too much tension. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull it towards me to loosen it. And maybe that's good. Maybe it's a little bit too loose. Pull it back towards the engine just a tad. Tighten this back up. Okay, that feels pretty good to me. So let's get this started back up. All right, that's good, that's good. Let go of the lever. And now I can pull back real easy. Boom, it's that simple. It is that easy. So 7/16 socket on that, on this this nut here on the inside. Pull it towards you to loosen it. Pull it towards the mower to tighten it. Tighten that nut back down, and you're good to go. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. See you on the next one.